Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making ravioli. I'm sure y'all staring at me like, girl, since when you started cooking? So let's get into it. This is something that I always had a passion for since I was like in my 20s. I went to school for it, but I never like pursued it with it. Like I never did. But I was always cooking. Like people that's close to me knows that, I like to do this. Like I love cooking. But next month, April 25th, I'm going to be 40 years old. Believe it or not, I'm going to be 40 years old. Myself, I can't even believe it, but I'm going to be 40 years old and my life has changed for the better. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about me and how my life just changed for the better. And I wanted to change my life, but I just didn't know, the right direction to take, like where to start. That's what I would say, because of the people that I had around me. Um, I'm saying this video to anybody out there that can listen. If you want to go ahead and do something, and your surrounding is not where you need to be, get out, because they will hold you back, they will put you down, they will not they are not taking you serious. The things that you want to do in life, you can do it because they're always looking down on you, and those are not your friends. And in my case, this was me. I had people around me that are not supposed to be around me. I had people around me that need me more than I needed them. And it came a point in my life, I'm just like, okay, I need a change. Like I need to get out of this. And when I tell you, believe me, God was just waiting for me to take that step. Like my blessing was just at the door waiting for me. So if you feel it in you, if your intuition is telling you this is the time to move forward, this is the time to leave this behind, leave it behind, because that is God talking to you. And for me to sit here and say, and say all this, why I'm cooking, something that I would have never thought I would have been even doing and showing it out there. But deep down in me, I always had a passion for this. I always had a passion. And you guys are going to see a lot of video of me, me fixing up my house, and which I don't even bring people in my home. That is something I don't even show. I don't even show my home. So for me to be showing this side of me, honestly, I'm just a different person. And it's like now the people that's around me, their energy is like my dating life. It's like I'm so happy where I am. You know, anything that's toxic that come in my way, I turn on the other side. I'm just like, that is not for me. This is the new me. And the fact that I'm turning 40 and I still look 20, because I'm just taking care of myself. I'm taking care of my mental state of mind. Like my surrounding. If anybody that toxic and you are around me, I don't want you around me. So for me to be, in this position that I am, like where God is taking me, let's say that where God is taking me, I would have never thought. Even the people that's around me, like, no. But you know what? I am happy for this change. I am happy for this new digression, and I'm just happy for everything that's going on in my life. So now you guys are going to be seeing a lot of cooking video of me fixing up my house and stuff like that. So everything I'm using, I'm going to be putting it in the description bar down below for you guys to see. I want to thank you guys so much for the 5,000 subscriber. I am truly grateful. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to tell you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.